Hi there guys, so this is the keyboard accessory tray KSA8585. So when you get it, so I already opened the box, you get this, and this thing here is very interesting, and you also get this, and you'll get the top to stick with. Basically, it also comes with extra 2 pieces of this material. You have to just peel off the stick and place it on there. So it feels really good. Although, even if you measure it properly, it will still have some extra. So just take note of that. And now I'm gonna show you how to mount on this keyboard stand. So this is the X keyboard stand, the normal usual stand. And first, pull it a bit into that, and I don't know if you are focused, just peel off everything here. Okay. Yep. So it will look like this. This is from the keyboard stand. And what is so special about this? I feel so funny that this on-stage website doesn't show how do you mount this. It shows how the angle. Oops, sorry. It shows what the angle can be on top of this keyboard. See, at first you don't know how does this mount, right? Okay, so this is the way. Let me show you. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to pull it like clockwise. No, anti-clockwise. Yeah, anti-clockwise, and use your finger to hold on and push it to this direction, and make sure it's already at this this stick like yeah, just like that. And next, alright, so next, hold it like this and put it in. Of course, you need to like adjust it to the height, and then spin it on the clockwise motion, and there you go. It will fit it perfectly. There, see.